Hello, this is Jeff Kelly, and in this video, I want to answer the question, how do you file Chapter 7 and keep all of this stuff that you owe money on, that you want to keep? How does that work? Here's how it works. Let's say you've got somebody who wants to file a Chapter 7 and they owe $15,000 on a 2010 Honda Accord, let's say, and the payment is $300 a month. Well, people file Chapter 7 all the time and keep stuff like that. How does it work? Well, credit card debts, medical debts, things like that, those are unsecured debts. And we can wipe those out and we can eliminate those with no consequences in a Chapter 7. Now, for the car debt, if it's something that you want to keep, you've got to sign something called a reaffirmation agreement. That's a contract between you and the creditor. And basically what it says is, hey, I'm filing Chapter 7, and if I wanted to, I could give you back this 2010 Honda Accord and wipe out all the debt related to it, but I want to keep it. So I'm going to surrender my rights, and we're going to treat this debt and treat this debt only as if we've never filed Chapter 7. Now, is there a situation where your attorney might say, no way, bad idea, you cannot reaffirm this car? And the answer is yes. If the interest rate is 35%, no way would I want you to reaffirm that car. That's ridiculous. You're paying so much in interest. You're getting ripped off. You're getting killed. There's got to be a better way. Typically, if the interest rate is higher than 12%, I am strongly going to discourage you from reaffirming that debt. Now, usually, sometimes we run into trouble when it's something like a four-wheeler. Can you file Chapter 7, wipe out all your debts, and keep your four-wheeler? It depends, maybe. I don't like reaffirmation agreements. I don't like them at all. And here's why. Because you can only file Chapter 7 once every 8 years. What happens if you get in trouble years down the road and you can't make that payment? Well, that creditor is going to sue you. They're going to try to garnish your wages, try to clean out your checking account. They're going to come down on you as hard as they legally can. And you can't file Chapter 7 but once every 8 years. Now, the truth is, you might be able to file a Chapter 13 at that point if you have income and there's a way to save it. That could potentially be a possibility, but bottom line is, you want to be very, very careful about signing reaffirmation agreements. So a lot of clients will ask, well, what the heck am I supposed to do? How am I ever going to get another car if I let this one go back? Well, the answer is, believe it or not, once your case discharges, you get the discharge, case is completed. There are a lot of smart car companies out there that will sell you a car. Why? Because you have no debt hanging over your head, none. And they know that if they sucker you into buying a car from them, they've got 8 years to collect it out of you, potentially, without you being able to file Chapter 7 against them. So, if you have questions, take advantage of a free consultation. It's a no-brainer. Call us, 770-881-8449. I've got a website, www.kellycanhelp.com. I've got blogs there, and I've also written a book on Chapter 13 and Chapter 7, and I would like for you to have a copy. So please scroll down to the bottom of the page, type in your name and your email address, and boom, we'll get it to your inbox, or call us at 770-881-8449, and we will try to mail you a hard copy. I've also got some podcasts if you're interested in that at kellybankruptcy.com. And if you get a chance, please subscribe to this channel. I do try to, my goal is to get a YouTube video up every other day that relates to the topic of Chapter 13 and Chapter 7. Thank you very much.